Finally, Google Pixel has given us what we've been asking for. You can now flip the order of your 3-button navigation, back button on the right where it belongs. Let me show you exactly how to set it up. If you came from Samsung, Xiaomi, or any other Android phone, you had the back button on the right side. Moving to Pixel meant the back button was suddenly on the left, and there was no way to change it. For years, people have been asking Google for this option. One Reddit user said it had been bugging them out since they switched to Pixel. Here's how to do it. 3 taps, Settings, System, Gestures, then System Navigation. Choose 3-button navigation and toggle Flip Navigation Order. That's it. Your back button moves to the right side. Home stays in the middle. Recent apps moves to the left. Here's the visual difference. The default Pixel layout puts the back triangle on the left and the recent apps square on the right. The flipped layout swaps them. Back on the right, recent on the left, home circle stays in the center. If you're used to Samsung or Xiaomi, the flipped layout is what feels natural. This isn't just about preference, it's an accessibility issue. Users with arthritis and mobility issues find gesture navigation painful. One user's elderly mother asked to switch back to buttons because the joint pain from gestures was too much. Right-handed users naturally reach the right side of the screen, and anyone switching from another Android brand has years of muscle memory with back on the right. There's a debate in the Pixel community about gestures versus buttons. Gestures gives you more screen space and quick app switching, but they conflict with in-app swipes. They're harder with wet or dirty hands, and they're an accessibility challenge. Buttons are consistent, predictable, and now customizable. Neither is wrong. The point is Google finally gives you the choice. Pixel community is happy about this. One user said they needed this ever since coming from Samsung. Another said it's the small things that make us happy. Several people pointed out it was ridiculous that Google omitted this basic option for so long when every other Android manufacturer had it. Better late than never, I guess. Your phone, your layout, go to Settings, System, Gestures, System Navigation, flip it,